Hello friends, today we are at JBR beach. After the refreshing experience at Kite Beach, we thought to show you the JBR beach as well so that you will have the clear idea about the public beach life here in Dubai. So let's go with me and check it out. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe now so that you will not miss any of my latest videos. Let's go. So guys, we are going to our beautiful destination which is nothing but JBR beach. Traveling by city bus or metro is the easiest way to travel within Dubai. As we live in the middle of the city, it's very convenient for us to use these options. But if you have your own four-wheel, then it's great. Otherwise, you can go by cab as well. And here we reach to our location, the Jumeirah beach residence, the beach. So let's move in. Though this beach is open whole day, I'd suggest to go after 4 p.m. if you wanna go inside the water. Because after 4 p.m. temperature will be a bit bearable, especially in summer. But if you simply want to walk around and enjoy the sunset, then go after 5:30 to 6 p.m. so that you can enjoy the sunset as well as the night view of Ain Dubai. This is Flying Cup. If you want to experience the panoramic view of this beach and the city, then you can buy the tickets of this Flying Cup. Rotate in the air with 360-degree view and feel the sea. Beach is the perfect place that helps us to relax and unwind. Walking around the beach, watching activities happening around you, it also gives you sense of fulfillment. And if you want to add some more excitement on your beach day, then you can also do the camel ride. You can have the complete tour of beach with the help of camel ride. Apart from playing in water, there are many other options to you. You can try some exciting and thrilling water sports like jet ski, fly fish ride, donut ride, banana boat ride, parasailing and many others. No doubt you will find this beach full of crowds, as this is one of the best and most popular public beach. As this beach is located in the middle of the city and it's easy to reach here, this is also another main reason why you will find this beach is always crowded. This is water fun park inside the beach. To get entry inside the park, you can buy the tickets from the ticket counter or can take a membership online from their official website. And here you can buy tickets. There are different options of tickets. Depends on you want one time entry or want membership of multiple entries. Also depends if you are in group or you are only one or two. If we see this park from the top view, we can see it has the shape of Ain Dubai. There are many sun lounges available at this beach. So have fun in water, put your glass on and get ready for the suntan. This is Ain Dubai. The Ferris wheel is the world's largest observation wheel and the light display on it is a cutting edge. This place is already so beautiful and Ain Dubai adds the cherry on the top. It's recommended to leave the beach after sunset. That means after 7 to 7:30 p.m. People are also leaving the beach now. So let's walk towards the restaurant. JBR is not just about water and beach. It is a residential and commercial development with 40 plus towers, which includes apartments, hotels and restaurants. Here you will find all kinds of food options, from small coffee shops to big restaurants. There are also 2-3 big open restaurants right next to beach, where you can sit, grab something and can enjoy the beach life. This is a separate game zone. Here you will find many options for playing and spending good time. Here you can pay and play their exciting games and can win the gifts for you. Also, there are many shopping outlets from where you can buy beachwear clothes as well as daily wear fashion clothes. And here is another gem of this place. If you want to experience or roam in a luxury car, then you can rent any of these. They have displayed Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini here if you want to know more or want to book a car. And yes, from here you can also do some pocket-friendly street shopping as well. Here you will find different clothes, caps or hats, some customized phone accessories and gifts. JBR is one of the rich and costly area here. Buying a property, residential flat or a space really costs a huge. Overall, we can say this place is full of fun and entertainment. Be it resident or tourist, it will certainly make your day count. you ever come to Dubai, don't ever miss to visit this place and to enjoy the beach life.
This is totally different experience of visiting Kite Beach and JBR Beach. We can say JBR Beach is kind of lavish beach. Which beach do you like? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and keep traveling with Bhramantik.